Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to the next video of Introduction to Euclids Geometry. In previous classes we have learned what are axioms and what are postulates. We have learned 7 axioms and 5 postulates, and I had asked you to remember them because that is how we will be able to solve the problems as well. So remembering axioms and postulates is very important. Let us begin with the exercise. The first question the exercise tells we should state whether the given statements are true or false along with the reasons. So I will be telling them true and I will also tell the reasons, but I won't be writing the reasons. I will just write whether they are true or false. I will tell the reason and it is your duty to write down the reasons in your notes. Question number 1. Only one line can pass through a single point. That means there is a single point. Let me call the point as A. And they are telling only one line can pass through this point. So from every point there can be a line that can be drawn. Correct? So I have drawn one line. So according to the statement, I can draw only one line through this point. Is that true? Okay. So the answer will be false. Why? So not only one line like this, I can draw one more line like this, one more line, one more line, one more line. I can draw any number of lines from one point. From one point, any number of lines can be drawn. But according to the statement, they are telling only one line can pass through a single point. So it is false because many lines can be drawn through a single point. That is the first one. Second one, there are infinite number of lines which pass through two distinct points. So there is a point A here and another point B. Okay. How many lines can be drawn between A and B? Between A and B, only one. Can you try to recall postulate number 1? Postulate number 1. Given two distinct points, there is a unique line that passes through them. That means if there are 2 points from between those 2 points. So from A, many lines can go. From B also many lines can go. But between A and B, only one line can be drawn. So what is our question? Infinite number of lines which pass through two distinct points. That is, if we have 2 points, we can draw many lines between A and B, which is false because between 2 points only one line can be drawn. So what is the difference between question number 1 and question number 2? Question number 1, there is only one point, and from one point many lines can be drawn. In question number 2, there are 2 points, and between 2 points only one line can be drawn. From that point to another point, right? But if you take only single point, many lines can be drawn. But from point number 1, that is point number A, to point number B, only one unique line can be drawn. That's why this answer is also false, because they are telling infinite. Infinite means many number of lines can be drawn between A and B, which is false. Only one line can be drawn from A to B, that is between A and B. But if you take only one point, from one point many lines can be drawn. I hope you have understood the difference between question number 1 and 2. Question number 3, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both the sides. Which axiom postulate do you think this is? This is postulate number 2. What is postulate number 2? If I have a line, let us suppose AB. So A here and B here, point A and point B. That link you can produce this point A up to any length you want and point B also up to. You can extend the line up to any length you want. Therefore, this answer will be true. And we have already learned about this in postulate number 2. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both the sides. Not only on one side, you can also produce it on the other side as well. Let us go to question number 4. So just writing true or false won't be enough. You should also write the reasons. Please write the reasons and submit. So the question is, if two circles are equal, then their radii are equal. Okay, we have seen, I think it is postulate number 5 if I am correct. What was postulate number 5? Not 5. Postulate number 3, a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Now they are telling if the two circles are equal, that means if I take circle number 1 and circle number 2, they are telling these two circles are equal. When these two circles can be equal? If this distance, for example, if this is a circle of 3 centimeter and if this is also a circle of radius 3 centimeter, this radius I will call as R1, this radius I will call as R2, this center is O, this center is also. Now I have two circles with center O and O. Here also the radius, I have drawn a circle of 3 centimeter. Here also I have drawn a circle of radius 3 centimeter. That means these two circles can be equal only if their radius are equal. That means if I have drawn a circle of 4 centimeter, can you tell that these two circles are equal? Definitely no. So these two circles can be equal only if their radius are also equal. So fourth one will be true. Two circles are equal, then their radii. Radii means plural of radius. Radius means 1, radii means 2. Both the radius are or both the radii are equal. Next one. Okay. If AB is equal to PQ and PQ is equal to XY, then AB is equal to XY. We should tell whether this is going to be true or false. So let us suppose there is one line called as AB, another line called as PQ, and one more line called as XY. Okay. Now according to the first statement, AB is equal to PQ. Let us suppose AB is 3 centimeter, and if it is equal to PQ, PQ also should be equal to 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter are equal. Correct? This I have understood. PQ is equal to XY. PQ is equal to XY. What is PQ? 3 centimeter. So if PQ and XY are equal according to the question, then XY also should be equal to 3 centimeter. No? If PQ is 3 centimeter, because AB and PQ are equal. If AB is 3, then PQ is also 3. First one. Second one, that is PQ is also equal to XY. That means if PQ is 3 centimeter, XY also should be equal to 3 centimeter, isn't it? Yes. Then they are asking, can AB be equal to XY? Now look at the figure. What is AB? 3 centimeter. What is XY? 3 centimeter. That's why AB and XY are also equal. That's why this answer is true. Now I want you to think which axiom is used here. Axiom number 1. That is going to be your reason. So when you write the reason, write down axiom number 1. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. That means if this and this is equal, then the third thing will also be equal to each other. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. This is the example for that axiom. So I have explained it along with the figure and along with writing the values as well. So write down any explanation of your choice which you will be able to understand and then prove it. In the next class, we will continue with some more questions, and thank you for watching the video.